हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम इस वीडियो में डेट कमांड सीखने वाले हैं। हाउ टू गेट द डेट इन लिनक्स मशीन और आल्सो वी आर सीइंग calendar command. If you want to see the calendar in Linux, which commands we want to use? Okay, so let's start now. Okay, first command, date command. Okay, if you want to see the today's date, use simple date command. You will get this format date. Okay, also you will get the time, current time in current year. Okay, if you want to see the date in specific format, there have some options we want to use the date space plus percent d. If I want to see the date in this format, use this dash character. After that, use the percent b. After that, in double quotes, and for the year use y. Let's see guys, you will get the date in specific format. If you change this in capital Y, you will get the years in this format. Okay, now if you want to see the day only time, use the date plus percent x command. You will get the date in this format. Okay, if you want to see the time only time, use the h command, h option. If you want to see the time, use this option capital X. You will get the current time. Okay, after that, if you want to see the microseconds, okay, use this date plus percent. Yes, you will get the in microseconds time. In capital S, you will get the second. Okay, now see, if you want to see the time in specific format in Linux, use these options. You will get the time in the specific format, capital H colon percent capital M. After that, colon percent capital S. After I want to see this format date. No, okay, you will get the date time in this format with the using date command. Okay, after that, if you want to see the time using this option, use the key option. capital P option. I think this space is not working. Yes, let's see. You will the current time you will get. Okay, now our second command is cal command. If you want to see the calendar in Linux, use the cal command. You will get this current month calendar. You will see here current month and year of this month and date of this month, current date. Okay, if you want to see the previous 1 month and next 1 month in cal command, let's use the -3 option. You will get the previous month and next month and current month in this format with the using -3 option. After that we have a one command. Use the capital A option. After that use the 3. You will get the results after 3 months. This current month after 3 months, like September, October and November. If you want to see before 3 months, use the -B option. Okay, you will get the before 3 months from current month. Okay, you can also see here if I want to see the 5 months from current months, it will get the 5 months before 5 months. Now here in cal command have the one option -j. We get the current date, means number of continuous number of current date, means from first day in current year. Here you can see 240 is the current number in this year, today's date. Okay, if you see here, they also have one command and cal -c -w. Here you can see here this result ncal -w. You will get the count of this week in current year. Now this current week is 35 count from first day of this year. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys.